it on.
Alright, it's on.
Look, I have the chainsaw from when you guys pranked me on Halloween with the ketchup and shit.
Okay.
I want to get Dad back.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the same thing you guys did.
Okay.
You just have to film it.
Alright.
Good footage. Okay?
Yeah, original idea, I know. Where's your mask?
I don't have one.
Ketchup?
You keep it down.
Sorry.
I'm not gonna. He's gonna be so pissed if I catch you.
Okay, but it's not the same thing then.
My job, okay?
Okay.
Just film. Just also, I also need you to flip the switch when the light switch when I say go, okay?
What? Sorry, go.
What the fuck, dude? I didn't even say go!
Oh shit.
I didn't know the
Jesus
plane was still
Christ.
on! I was trying to get you back to the prank! I didn't know they were on!
Because of the violence in video games, isn't it? Cause you to do stuff like this.
Violence in video games? Yeah! That's what you think of when I do this?
Most people don't do this stuff.
You did it to me! I was just
That was a
trying to get
joke.
you back!
And your video.
Where are you going? Dad!
He asked me to.
What are you doing? Look, I'm sorry I woke you up, but I was just trying to get revenge, alright? Please don't go in my room. Dad, there's a lot of stuff in here that you have no right to touch.
Shit.
Alright?
Where's the video games?
You shredded them all! What do you mean, where are the video games?
Where are the video games?
I don't have any!
You're in there 24/7. You're
No,
2 years old and you live in your room.
Yeah,
Where is
I
it?
sleep and I watch TV. I don't
Where's the
play.
video games?
I don't play
Huh?
anymore.
Well,
You
where are
destroyed
they?
them.
Where's
You
the video
destroyed
games?
them all.
Well, actually, a lot of them are digital now, so they
Are
might
you
go into
kidding
Xbox.
me?
So where
That,
are they?
he's
What is it? I
lying.
don't
He's
care.
just
Digital
trying
where
to get
are
good video.
Where are they?
He's just
His
trying to
Xbox
get...
is right there.
Jeffrey,
This is an Xbox.
don't touch that. That's the Xbox One, Dad, don't touch that shit, Dad, what the fuck are you, Dad, what the fuck are you doing, Dad?
It's Xbox.
You're not touching this. You're not.
Get away. Put it back.
What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you, Dad?
You cut through a plastic thing.
It's not even something. There's plastic everywhere. Get the fuck out of here. You think that's funny? You think that's funny? I don't know. He's sawing it up. What the fuck's he doing? Dad.
You know the way.
Dad.
Oh, shit.
Dad.
Holy shit!
Ah!
Game.
God! Why? Fuck!
Holy
Violent
shit!
video game.
Holy shit!
Master Chief Collection! It's the only way I'm gonna learn!
You can't teach nonviolence with violence!
That's because I have to because you buy it behind my back.
You taught him how to play video games!
Oh, where did he go? What the hell? A little Swiss Family Jesse over here. Hey, buddy.
Get the fuck out of here! Get that light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
No. Halo Master Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour, and I'm not gonna be able to play. It's not funny.
It's just a game.
Please.
Alright, it's off, it's off.
Turn it off. Please turn it off.
It's off, man. It's okay.
Turn